Hey testers! In today's rapidly evolving software development environment, ensuring quality and dependability is paramount. However, the intricate process of designing and deploying such systems naturally gives rise to challenges, including bugs and technical glitches. To proactively address these glitches, safeguard project flow, and uphold software integrity, many organizations are leveraging the capabilities of bug tracking tools. Zenkit is a SaaS tool that helps teams collaborate on projects and build databases. It lets you track your information from the start, like brainstorming ideas, all the way to finishing tasks together. Think of Zenkit as a flexible space to arrange and manage any work. Now, let's start setting up the LambdaTest and Zenkit integration. To get started, you would require a LambdaTest profile. You can create a profile by heading over to the LambdaTest website. The link is given in the description below. Head to Integrations and look for Zenkit. Click on the icon to add it. In order to integrate your LambdaTest account with Zenkit, you must first log into your Zenkit account. Now, click on Install and you will be redirected to a window asking you to grant permission to LambdaTest to access your Zenkit account. Click on Authorize and there you go. You have successfully integrated your LambdaTest account with Zenkit. Now, let's see how we can use the LambdaTest and Zenkit integration to optimize your workflows while seamlessly logging bugs. In your LambdaTest dashboard, select Browser Testing under Real-Time Testing. Enter your website's URL, set your preferred device, browser and OS combination and click Start. Upon clicking, a cloud-based virtual machine will fire up, running real browsers and operating systems where you can test websites and web apps for filing bugs. Now click on the Mark as a Bug icon on the left sidebar. With this feature, you can highlight and mark bugs using different tools. After highlighting the bugs, click on the bug icon present in front of the Zenkit integration. Now enter the required credentials such as the workspace name, summary and description and click on Mark as Bug to raise the ticket in your Zenkit instance. To find a marked bug, head back to your LambdaTest dashboard, then select More Tools and click on Issue Tracker. Here, you will find your recently marked bug. Click on the arrow icon to view the issue directly in your Zenkit instance. And now you seamlessly log bugs directly into your Zenkit instance. Check out our detailed support doc to set up this integration and take your testing workflow to the next level. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to the LambdaTest YouTube channel for more such videos.